Hello everyone. So in this lecture we will study about the number system. Okay. So if I'm talking about अगर हम नंबर सिस्टम के बारे में बात करें तो नंबर सिस्टम में हमारी 4 बहुत इम्पॉर्टेंट नंबर सिस्टम आते हैं, जिसमें कि सबसे पहला होता है आपका डेसिमल नंबर सिस्टम। Then we have binary number system. Then we have octal number system. And then we have hexadecimal number system. So these are 4 number system that we are going to study in this lecture, one by one. So I'll start with first, which is decimal number system. So decimal number system, here decimal number system will give you idea about the digits 0 to 9, right? So if I'm talking about decimal, so we have digits 0, 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So total we have 10 digits. And for example, if I say the general format of decimal number system is, suppose this is decimal, suppose this is a decimal point. So the base of decimal number system, the base of decimal number system is 10, जिसको हम लोग इस जो बेस वैल्यू है इसको हम लोग रेडिक्स भी बोलते हैं. ओके, ये आपका बेस है. ओके, सो हेयर 10 raised to the power minus 1, 10 raised to the power 2 up to infinity, 10 raised to the power 1, 10 raised to the power 0, 1, 10 raised to the power 2, 10 raised to the power 3 up to infinity. So this one is the बिफोर लाइक डेसिमल पॉइंट से, ये जो डेसिमल पॉइंट है ये जो डेसिमल पॉइंट है, डेसिमल पॉइंट के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में दिस इज योर इंटीजर पार्ट, एंड आफ्टर दिस डेसिमल ये आपको कौन सा है, फ्रैक्शन पार्ट. ठीक है, डेसिमल पार्ट और फ्रैक्शन पार्ट, सॉरी इंटीजर पार्ट एंड फ्रैक्शन पार्ट. सपोज इफ आई टेक अ नंबर लाइक दिस, अगर मैं एक नंबर लेती हूँ, फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव अ नंबर लाइक दिस, सॉरी सपोज फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई हैव अ नंबर लाइक दिस, 467.56. okay, this number is the number, decimal number. So how I can using the journal format, how I can represent this number? So it's very simple. How would I write? 400 plus 60 plus 70 plus 0.5 plus 0.06, right? Or what I can say is 4 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 7 into 10 raised to the power 10 raised to the power 0, and this is not 70, this is 7, right? This would be 7, right? Plus we have 5 into 10 raised to the power 1, this is 0, plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 2, right? So this is number this. So this is how we represent decimal number system. We have 10 digits 0 to 9. This is the general representation, and this would be the example. Okay, so now let's talk about the binary number system. Now we have second is binary number system. So in binary number system, obviously if I am talking about binary, so this by is called 2 and this is called, it means 2 digits, it means we have 0 and 1, right? So this by is called 2 and we have 0 and 1. So 0 and 1, so this is binary number system. और how I can write this, suppose this is a binary point, इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं बाइनरी पॉइंट, राइट? अब ये जो बाइनरी पॉइंट है ये क्या होगा आपका, हेयर दिस वन इज 2 की पावर -1, राइट? 2 की पावर -1 प्लस 2 की पावर -2 and this part 2 की पावर 0 plus 2 की पावर 1 plus 2 की पावर 2 plus 2 की पावर 3 and so on, right? So this one is the fraction part, this one is the fractional part, and before the decimal it is the integer part, right? So this is binary, okay? And if I'm talking about the binary, then I would like to remind you that, you know, if I'm talking about 1 bit, अगर मैं सिर्फ 1 bit की बात कर रही हूँ, so this is, you know, we called 1 bit, okay? तो इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं a bit. If I'm talking about 4 bits, so we say nibble. If I'm talking about 8 bits, then we are talking about byte. If I'm talking about 16 bits, then I am talking about, then 16 bits is a word, is called a word. If I am talking about 32 bits, then this is double word. So there are many variations, okay? 4 bit, nibble, 1 bit, obviously 1 bit is a 1 bit and a bit, then nibble, byte, word. So it is just for the remembrance कि ये आपको पता होना चाहिए कि ये है, ठीक है, ये exist करती हैं ये चीज़ें. So now let's talk about the next one, which is your octal number system, okay? So we have the third one is octal number system. So in octal number system, obviously the base is 8, okay? Because we are talking about 8 digits and it starts from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, 7. So we have 8 digits, right? Same with this, if I'm talking about the general representation, it is 8 to the power -1, then we have 8 to the power -2, right? Then we have 8 to the power -2 here, and then we have 8 to the power, okay, then we have 8 to the power from the decimal से पहले 0 plus 8 to the power 1 plus 8 to the power 2 plus 8 to the power up to and so on, right? So this is how we try to deal with it. How now this is your integer part and this is your fractional part, right? So now in next is your hexadecimal number system. So we have, or you can say sorry, yeah, so we have hexadecimal system, okay, yeah. Hexadecimal system, okay? So we have hexadecimal system. Now in the hexadecimal system we have two things. Okay, I'm talking about alpha numeric. Why I'm saying alphanumeric? Because hexadecimal system base क्या होगा 16, radix क्या होगा 16. तो from 0 to 9 it's a digits, and from 10 it's A. For 11 it's B. It is in capital B. C, D, E, and this one is F. So we have 0 to 9 digits, and then we have a symbols, alphabetically symbols. So this is called hexadecimal. Again, general representation. If I'm talking about the general representation, then obviously this is the decimal point, and this is 16 power minus 1 plus 16 power minus 2, and so on. 16 power 0 plus 16 power 1 plus 16 power 2, and so on. So this is the integer part, and this is the fractional part. Okay. So let's take a quick revision. Here we have started with the number system. So we have 4 number system: binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal. So in decimal number system we have base 10, and in binary number system we have base 2, and 1 bit is a bit, 4 bit is a nibble, 8 bit is a byte, 16 bit is a word, 32 bits a double word. And octal number system we have radix or base 8. We have 8 digits from 0 to 7. Hexadecimal number system is alphanumeric. 0 to 9 they are the digits, and after this 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 they are the alphabets. So thank you so much. I hope it is clear to you. In next lecture we will